Your vote, our tomorrow. Every election is more than a contest. It's a choice for tomorrow. A choice for our children. A choice for our nation. Every election is more than a race. It's about our future, our home, our place. For every child with dreams to pursue, tomorrow depends on what we all do. One single vote may seem so small, but together our voices can answer the call, building communities strong and free, choosing the future we all want to see. Choose with wisdom, choose with care. Think of the future we all will share. Character, service, vision so bright. These are the leaders who lead us right. Not by money, not by gifts, not by promises that quickly drift. Our vote today shapes tomorrow. Hope over fear, joy over sorrow. This song won't tell you who to choose. That's your right, don't never lose. Instead, look deeper than words you hear. Find a leader who's honest and sincere, a servant's heart, a faithful hand, someone who'll help our people stand, leading with truth in all they do, creating a better life for me and you. Choose with wisdom, choose with care. Think of the future we all will share. Character, service, vision so bright. These are the leaders who lead us right. Not by money, not by gifts, not by promises that quickly drift. Our vote today shapes tomorrow. Hope over fear, joy over sorrow. Listen up, it's bigger than today. Every single vote can light the way. Don't sell your future for a little gain. Tomorrow's success is worth more than the change. Look for honesty, courage and respect. A leader who serves and earns our trust. Strong in character, clear in vision. That's the power of a wise decision. Together we rise, together we stand, building a brighter future across the land. Our voices matter, every woman and man. The future begins with the vote in your hand. Choose with wisdom, choose with care. Think of the future we all will share. Character, service, vision so bright. These are the leaders who lead us right. Not by money, not by gifts, not by promises that quickly drift. Our vote today shapes tomorrow. Hope over fear, joy over sorrow. Shapes tomorrow. music.